another day, another place in São Paulo to explore. Santana free camp in some corner, full of movement in other place. Let's walk together this evening and discover what this evening brings. So right now I am in Santana metro station here in northern São Paulo. Outside is a bus station where people take bus to go their destination. So let's explore this beautiful neighborhood. So here in Santana, outside the bus station. So this is how the outside look like. You can see the shop, bar shops. It's a busy street here. This side feel calm and active this time. So up here is the metro. Back here is the bus station. From the down you come off the bus station. So let's explore the street. From here you go down to metro. So this place is a busy area here in the North São Paulo. I like to explore a place like this because you don't know what to expect. So this area is very busy. Very, very busy because of the bus station. So it's a business district here. Even now it's the evening, but it looks very busy. Winter. Every neighborhood has its own vibe. So the road is packed with traffic. Here is a park in the middle of this place. So winter here make the atmosphere completely different. It's a winter season. That's why everywhere is calm. It's cold. Guys, subscribe to my channel, share my content, give me a like. More you give like, more you reach to other people to watch. Don't just watch and go. Watch, comment, write, like and share. So this area is well organized. Well organized. This place bar. There's a lot of movement. There's life going on in this area. The evening vibe. People are having a good time.
Não, andei
It's winter, but people are outside. It's because of the ball. World Cup is going on, or evening vibe. You never really know a place until you walk through the street. That's what is happening this evening. This place looks so amazing. This area feels organized and comfortable to walk around. It's amazing to exploit this area. This is Santana, northern São Paulo. It looks so calm and beautiful. You can see the activity of this area. Everything is organized, calm. That is São Paulo. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Peace.